garlic butter steak and shrimp. Got myself some ribeye seasoning with salt, pepper, and garlic. Next, I'm gonna start making a garlic herb butter. Mixing this all together, I'm gonna place it
Ah, não vai
onto a
prestar, não.
plastic
A
wrap
carne é
sheet
boa. Joga
and
esse
roll
tanto
it up.
tempero,
Place
vai
it
sentir
in
o
the
gosto só do
fridge
tempero.
until it firms. Next, I'm
Não
gonna
gostei.
preheat my
Já não
Brio
gostei.
grill to medium-high heat temp. Pan searing
Modo
these
fritar
ribeyes
tá
for
até
about
bom.
2.5
Mas
minutes per side. I'm
acabou
gonna
com o
top
bife.
them off with that garlic herb butter and then let them finish off resting for about 10 minutes, deglazing with some white wine and hot sauce. I'm gonna add in the rest of the butter and cook some
É, o
colossal
camarão até
shrimp
parece que vai
for
ficar bom, o
about
camarão,
2
né?
minutes per side
A
until they
carne
are
já foi.
beautiful and done. Once they're done, pull them off, let them rest as well. We'll slice into these steaks, add the shrimp to the skillet. This was so freaking delicious.
Rapaz,
You can find
me
this whole recipe at
surpreendeu, viu?
overthefirecooking.com or link
Parece que ficou
below.
muito bom
Cheers!
mesmo.